and welcome to the Jaguar I-Pace. A lot of people are complaining about the range and the high consumption, but I want to cut this car a bit of a slack because, think of it, what does Jaguar stand for? Very comfortable, powerful. I think of a bit of an older man, very conservative. And so for a brand like this to release an electric car that's not just based on another car that they already had, I think that's pretty amazing. And so for them to design their own electric car and give it their flavor, their style, and what Jaguar stands for, I think it's pretty cool. I think this is awesome, and I think they did very well. It's a beautiful car. It looks very nice. It's amazingly comfortable. Seats are great. Ride quality is great. The car looks better, like most EVs, when you see it for real. It is it's not very high car, and it looks very slick. It has enough space. The roof up there, the glass roof, it's really cool. I like it a lot. I just like it. It's very quiet. It's very powerful. The power is amazing. This car has an 84.7 kilowatt-hour battery, and the WLTP range is 470 kilometers. You have a 400 horsepower motor, and you have a motor in the front and in the back, so it's all-wheel drive, and it's just a lot of power. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.8 seconds. It feels very powerful, and it puts every little bit of power on the road. There's no wheel spin or anything. There's a tiny bit of lag when you give it the bean, so I would say 0.2 seconds, something like this, but it doesn't impact me at all. It's when you drive a bit faster through corners and everything, the acceleration is amazing. Highway speed, amazing. It goes up to 208 kilometers an hour. That's the top speed, but of course then range is nothing. Weighs 2,140 kilograms. That's a lot, and you feel it in the corners. So when you go a bit faster through corners, you feel that the car is rolling over a bit, and it doesn't feel that stable. In this car you have 3 screens. The instrument cluster, the main screen, and a little screen in the middle console. That's for climate, for your you can still see your phone connection, your media, and your heated seats and everything. Great. Has adaptive cruise control with distance. Works perfect. You have a lot of settings in your screen. You can select the instrument cluster to show different things and move things around, and it looks really nice. It gives me a lot of information. The battery is a 388 volt system. That means charging speed on the DC fast charger is very high because it's a bit of a higher voltage, and you get up to almost the 50 kilowatt that the charger can give you. It charges at a Type 2 with 7.4 kilowatt, and there's a home charger included. It charges with around 2 kilowatt. Like I said, the car drives really nice. Steering feel is nice. Steering wheel has a nice thickness to it. It's not too thick, not too thin. All the different modes. It's just very nice to drive. It's very quiet in here. You feel isolated from outside, and that's nice. You feel like you're in this car. It's nice. Bumps and everything are smoothed out very nicely. You have air suspension. You can lower the car or make it higher if you need that. It's very big tires, the 20-inch on this car right now, but you can have 22 as well. The Jaguar I-Pace starts at 78,000 euros, and there's a few feature packages. There's S, SE and HSE. HSE has everything, and it costs around 96,000 euros, but you can spec it up with a lot of options up to over 120,000 euros. There's just so many things that you can have. You get the same battery and the same motor in all of the different feature packages. It's the same car, basically, it's just features inside the car. It comes automatically with LED headlights and they look really good. The HSE package has the matrix LED headlights, and they're very cool because you can set the car to auto high beam, and in this mode the matrix can turn off single segments of the light, and so the car can detect the car that's coming towards you and just filter out that car in the high beams, so the high beams stay on, and it's just this little car is being deselected, so the driver of the other car does not get blind. So be prepared for other videos with this car. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.